Alright guys, it's been a while since I made a video for you. I have a Series X here. When you try to power it on, boom, it turns off right away. So here's the basic troubleshooting steps. We troubleshooted the power supply and it was okay. We went ahead and removed the SSD and it was still the same thing. So it has to be something on this mother. Highly likely on the secondary motherboard. So let's check over here. Let's take out the multimeter and check. So the main power to the CPU here is not short. But check this out. Over here, we have a short somewhere on this area. Boom. Shorted completely. Alright, so I have the power supply here to a buck converter. And I'm setting it at 0.5 volts. Alright, I only have two hands, so I recorded it here. And you see that? See that one capacitor right there? We found it. It's that one right there, C275. So let's remove it. Yep, so just remove that capacitor here, and we're not shorted anymore. Nice. Let me put a new cap on and put it together, and let's test. Alright, I put enough of it together here just to test. Let's see what happens. Aha! It stays on. We got it. Let's put it back together and see if we got something on the TV. Alright, I put it together here. Let's try. It does power on. Let's see what the tester says. The tester says okay. Do we have anything on the screen? And yes, we do have it. Perfect. If you need to get a repair done, go to tickets.techdevice.repair. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and I will be back with more action. And yes, I was downgrading, upgrading, left grading, right grading, and right now, I got it all back together just for you guys. I'm going to be going live with all of my repairs. If you still are here till this second watching me yet, just go and share my website so I can give you more information on how to repair.